Hi, Mark from Appmixer here. In the previous section, you learned how to use the zoom in and zoom out feature. Now, supposing that you've already created a flow, you'll learn a simple way to export the flow to an image. To start, choose the desired flow. Now click the small arrow icon next to the Start Flow button, and as you can see, you have two options to export the flow to an image. You can either choose SVG or PNG format. The following process is the same for both of these options. So click the preferred one and wait until the picture shows up. Now right-click the image, click Save Image As, and choose the location, name and preferred format. Now click the Save button, and as you can see, the image is successfully downloaded. Now that you've learned another designer's feature, let me show you how to rename a flow.